Hello, Mr. Henry, Mr. Ryan.
Longest.
Longest interval, okay? Longest interval. Longest interval. So what's the longest interval? We're given a list of intervals represent with the start and end. Those are the integers. Okay, start, the end. For example, like 1, 3, 1, 3. This is a list of intervals. 1, 3, 2, 4.
3, 6.
Maybe no. 5, 10. Okay, let's just do these three intervals. So if we plot it in the line, okay, we plot it in the line. This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. And somewhere here is 10. So 1, 3. Look, 1, 3. Start with the 1 and the 3 is this one. Yeah, I plot it here. 2 and 4 is here. 2 and 4.
You're just doing.
Okay, and then 5 and 10. Yeah. Okay, so look, when we combine the intervals, we have two parts. These 1 to 4, right? And then 5 to 10. The length here is 5.
Yeah.
The length here is 3. So you need
So
to tell me it's
5.
5. Yes, exactly. So
What if they're both the same?
it doesn't matter because we return the longest length, right?
But how about if they're both the same?
Then return one of it, which is also the same, right? It's like this length is 3. If this length is like 8 here, right? And then it will be 3. And then you need to tell me the 3 is the maximum, the longest. Okay? So if these are the integer, it can be negative. So how we solving this problem? If we want to look, these are not particularly in order, right? The intervals I'm giving you is not from the left to the right. And how about if we want to visit it from the left to the right? How can we do this?
Sorting.
Sorting, yes. So if the interval, given the interval, so let's say
again.
intervals dot sort is
O
O
and
log
log n.
O and log n. Complexity, okay? O and log n. So if we are sorting this, and how are we solving this? If these
Brute
intervals,
forcing.
how can we brute force this one?
Checking every possibility.
Checking, but not particularly in this case. How can we?
Oh, anyway.
How can we
Anywho's.
How can we do this? If we
Something.
why are we sorting this interval? We want to visit them in from left to right order, right?
Yeah.
So if we visit the left to right, how can we can keep? What can we do with it? Look, if this current interval, we start from the second one. The first one is interval 0. Yeah, we already know the start and end here, right? Okay, so if for the next interval, how many possibilities for the next interval? It could be
Lots.
no. What I'm saying is the positions. The star is bigger than the star, right? So it could be here, this one. It could be this way, or it could be this way, right? Yeah. All right. There's 3 possibilities, right? Does it make sense?
No.
Not really. This is the start and end, and then if we take in the next interval, it's on the right. So it could be this way, or this way. But this is not connected to the previous one, right? Yeah?
Yeah.
So for these two cases, we don't change the start, right? Because it will be connected to the next interval, right? Yes? But we need to if this is disjoint, if the next interval is not connected to the previous one, so we need to change the start, update the start to this one, alright? Yeah? And in all the cases, we need to update the n equals the maximum of n, current n, and the new n, yeah? And the new n, right? Does it make sense? Yeah? Alright? Because the end is, if this is the case, look, if this is the case, this new n is not bigger than the old previous n, so we don't update it, right? But these two cases are larger than the previous n, am I right? Yeah? Okay. Eric, do you understand now? Do you understand? Which part you don't understand? Which part you don't understand? You're fine. Are you sure you're fine?
I'm fine.
Okay, so can you tell me how can we solve this problem?
Oh, okay, so, these
Yeah,
are
okay.
the possibilities, and there's a start and the end,
Yeah, why we're keeping the start and end?
and if they're disconnected,
Yeah, we extend the end, right?
yeah.
And then when we have this start end, we can calculate the length. Yeah? Am I right? Am I right, Eric? Focus. Am I right?
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, so can we write this problem?
Yeah.
Can we write it?
Of course.
Please focus. Okay, focus.
Everyone likes funny faces.
Define longest interval
.com.
was, let's say, data. Okay, let's keep it data for.
Column.
Okay, if we not given any data, what should we return? The longest.
Return 0.
0.
Well done. And then data dot sort, right? So what's data dot sort? The complexity is
log n.
where n is the length of the data, right? Now we have this start and end, current start and end, current interval, okay?
Equals
Equals. We want to get the first one. Which is what?
Data 0.
Yeah, the first one, okay. Alright? And then we start from the second one, yeah? From, let's say, the new star, okay? New star, and then new n, right? Let's just write it. And we want to start with the second interval to the end. So what should I put here? Second interval to the end.
column.
What's second?
One column.
One column, yeah. Start from the second one, okay? And then look, if the new star, we want to check compared to the, if a new star is bigger than the star, what should we do?
Star.
This is the star,
Star
this is
equals.
the end. Wait, this is the new star here.
The
If
start begins again. The start equals something.
the star equals what? Come on, if the new
Equals A.
there's
Equals
no-
a new star.
0.
Right, and not just guessing, okay? New star, okay?
New start.
Okay, so that would be here. And then end, we want to update the end to the maximum of equals what? Max 1 of what?
End.
N and what? And what?
N. New end.
New n, yeah. Okay, we have this answer, yeah. Answer will be equals to, at the beginning will be equals n plus, the first one, yeah. N plus star, n minus star plus 1, right? Yeah, n minus, and then answer, we want to check if it's the current star and n is the max, is longer than the answer. So what can we write here?
Answer.
The max.
Max,
Answer equals max.
max what?
Answer.
And
End equals star.
then what?
Equals star.
The new length of
equals
this is
end.
what?
End.
What? This is star and n. So what's the length of the star and n? Now this is star, this is n. What's the length? Of, what's this length?
It is
End.
n minus
End.
Minus star
Minus start times 1.
plus 1. Come on,
Plus
where's the
one.
time 1? And one missing here. What's that?
return answer.
Return answer.
I've already.
What's the time complexity?
End again.
Yeah, it's O n log n because this
Yeah.
part is what? This part is what? O1.
N.
O(n), and which is bigger?
And log n again.
O(n) log n. Okay, what's the space complexity?
Oh, wait.
What's the space complexity?
1.
N.
Well, are we using it?
N.
Data. Oh, data.
Data is given if we don't consider that as the additional space. So what's the time? What's the space complexity?
N.
What? I just said O1. Yeah. O1. Okay.
I said they won.
Okay.
No, 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 no.
Okay. Okay. So here.
Babe.
Yeah. Okay.
And now let's boogie.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Boogie.
If that look, this is star, this is n, and then if the new star is bigger than n, right? So what?
If start. New start.
New star, yeah. If new star bigger than what? What's this?
N.
Yeah.
New end.
N. New star cannot be bigger than new n. Come on, right?
N.
Yeah. Column.
Column.
And well, if new star bigger than n, we want to.
One.
What do we want to do?
What
do we want to do? All right.
We want to
Wait, what?
Start.
If the new star is bigger than an n, we want to update what? Come on, you know it before and then you forgot, right?
new start.
If new star bigger than n, what should we do? What should we do?
Start.
Oh,
Start equals new start.
Yeah, we're done. Come on.
start.
Yeah, star equals new star, right? And we're done. What does it mean?
So you get a new start.
Yeah, because it's
Because you only got one star and you're getting another star.
kind of because look,
Because this and it might be like this, and because it's not connected, so we need to do a new start.
a new one. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I meant. If it's smaller than n, what does it mean?
Yeah,
These two parts.
Boogie.
These two parts. Anyway, if it's new star is smaller than n, yeah, this is n. That's the new star, yeah? What does it mean? We can connect this as a combine, yeah? Am I right? Eric,
Yeah.
do you understand? Do you understand? Do you understand or not?
Oh, they can. If new start.
Where's the pen?
This pen is running out.
Start.
What?
Equal.
Equal
no,
new
bigger
start.
Bigger than what?
Equal.
than
Bigger than what?
end.
Yeah,
Column.
yeah.
Teamwork.
Yeah, that's it. Bye bye. Bye bye.